Welcome to our channel, and thank you for joining us as we explore the world of luxury travel. For those of us who have the means and the desire to experience the best of what the world has to offer, there is nothing quite like the pleasure and satisfaction of taking a luxurious journey of a lifetime. From the exotic beaches of the Caribbean to the hustle and bustle of the world's most vibrant cities, luxury travel can offer experiences that will leave you with a lifetime of memories. In this video, we'll look at the best ways to go about planning a luxurious trip. 1. Researching the perfect destination. The first step in planning a luxury travel experience is deciding on a destination. Researching your options is key, as the right destination can make all the difference. Consider the climate, season, and geography of the area, as well as the type of luxury experience you want to have. Are you looking for a relaxing beach vacation or an adventure-filled exploration of a new culture? Do you prefer a modern city or a rural village? Once you know what kind of experience you're looking for, it's time to start narrowing down your options. 2. Choosing the right accommodations. The next step in planning a luxury travel experience is choosing the right accommodations. Luxury hotels, resorts, and villas offer a variety of amenities and services that will make your stay unforgettable. Look for properties that offer the highest level of comfort and convenience, such as private rooms with balconies, spas, and gourmet restaurants. You may also want to consider whether the property is family-friendly or pet-friendly. 3. Planning the itinerary. Once you've chosen your destination and accommodations, it's time to start planning your itinerary. Consider the activities you want to do, the sights you want to see, and the restaurants you want to try. Research local attractions and events, and be sure to book any tickets or tours in advance. Planning ahead of time will ensure that you don't miss out on any of the must-see sites. 4. Packing for luxury travel. Before you set off on your luxury adventure, it's important to pack the right clothing and accessories. Consider the climate of your destination and the activities you plan to do while you're there. Be sure to pack the essentials, such as comfortable shoes, a jacket, and a hat. If you're planning to go to the beach, don't forget your swimsuit and a beach towel. 5. Enjoying the journey. Finally, it's time to enjoy the journey. Take time to relax, explore, and soak up the local culture. Don't forget to take plenty of photos and videos to capture the memories of your luxury travel experience. Luxury travel offers a unique and unforgettable experience. By researching the perfect destination, choosing the right accommodations, planning an itinerary, and packing for your trip, you can ensure that your journey is one that you will never forget. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start planning your dream luxury travel experience today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and insights.